Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain if you can change a close friend's story to everyone. When you share a story on many social media platforms, you typically select your audience, such as close friends or everyone, before posting. This initial decision is crucial because it often determines the story's visibility for its entire 24-hour duration. We will explore the common policies across popular platforms regarding audience adjustments after content has gone live. Generally, once a story is posted, its audience setting is locked. This means if you initially shared it with your close friends, you cannot simply switch it to everyone later. 2. This design choice helps maintain privacy and ensures that content shared with a specific group remains exclusive to that group. If you wish to share the same content with a broader audience, the most common solution is to remove the original story and then re-upload it with the desired public setting. 3. Across major platforms like Instagram and Snapchat, the functionality to alter a story's audience after it's live is generally unavailable. 13. For instance, on Instagram, once you've selected close friends and posted, that story will only be visible to that specific list. 2. There isn't a button or setting to expand its reach to all your followers. This consistent approach across platforms emphasizes the importance of careful audience selection at the point of creation. To avoid any issues, always take a moment to confirm your audience selection before hitting the share button. If you have content intended for a select group and other content for everyone, it's best to create 2 separate stories. Should you accidentally post to the wrong audience, the most straightforward solution is to delete the story immediately and then repost it, ensuring you select the correct visibility setting this time. 3. This ensures your content reaches the right eyes.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.